Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's video. I'm so glad you're here because we're about to cover one of the most powerful tools available to businesses today, social media ads. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a small business owner, or a marketer looking to up your game, this video is for you. By the end, you'll have a complete roadmap to leverage social media ads effectively and generate high-quality sales leads that can transform your business. Social media has transformed the way we connect, communicate, and share information. It's not just a tool for staying in touch with friends and family anymore, it's a powerful platform for businesses, influencers, and creators to reach and engage with a global audience. Let's break down the role of social media, its impact on our lives, and its potential as a game changer in multiple spheres. What is social media? At its core, social media refers to online platforms and tools that enable users to create, share, and engage with content in real time. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, now X, LinkedIn, TikTok, and YouTube have billions of active users who contribute to a dynamic flow of videos, photos, articles, and conversations. What sets social media apart is its interactive nature. Unlike traditional media, where information flows in one direction, social media fosters two-way communication. Users aren't just consumers of content, they're creators, critics, and participants. The importance of social media. Global connectivity. Social media has made the world smaller by connecting people across borders. It allows us to communicate instantly, no matter where we are. Whether it's reconnecting with an old friend or participating in global movements, social media facilitates a sense of global unity. Information sharing. News travels faster on social media than through traditional channels. Breaking stories, updates, and opinions spread instantly, keeping people informed. However, this speed also comes with challenges, such as the spread of misinformation. Community building. Social media allows like-minded individuals to form communities around shared interests, hobbies, or causes. Whether it's a fitness group, a fandom, or a support network, these online spaces foster connections and collaboration. Business opportunities. For businesses, social media is a goldmine. It provides a direct line to customers, offering a platform to build brand awareness, engage with audiences, and drive sales. Social media advertising, in particular, allows businesses to reach highly targeted demographics. The role of social media in personal lives. For individuals, social media is a tool for self-expression and connection. It allows users to share their thoughts, document their lives, and discover new ideas. However, it also comes with challenges like cyberbullying, privacy concerns, and the pressure to present a perfect image. While social media can enhance our personal lives, finding a balance is crucial. Overuse can lead to issues like reduced productivity or mental health challenges, including anxiety and FOMO, fear of missing out. Let's start by addressing a common misconception. Many people think that social media ads are expensive, complicated, or only work for large corporations. That couldn't be further from the truth. Social media ads are not only accessible but also incredibly effective for businesses of all sizes. With the right strategy, you can get a great return on investment, even with a modest budget. Let's dive in, step by step, starting with the basics and moving into advanced strategies that will help you dominate the lead generation game. What are sales leads, and why are they vital? First, let's define sales leads in detail. A sales lead is someone who has expressed interest in your product or service. But it's not just about collecting names or email addresses. A high-quality lead is someone who fits your ideal customer profile, someone who not only needs your product but is also in a position to buy it. Think about it this way, leads are the lifeblood of your business. Without them, your pipeline dries up, and so does your revenue. But not all leads are created equal. There's a difference between a warm lead, someone who actively engages with your brand, and a cold lead who barely knows you exist. This is why social media is so powerful. It allows you to attract warm leads by connecting with your target audience where they already spend their time. For example, if you run an online boutique selling handmade jewelry, your target audience might include women aged 25 to 40 who value unique, artisan-made products. Social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are perfect for reaching them because these platforms are highly visual and cater to people looking for inspiration and unique items. The power of social media advertising. Why are social media ads so effective? Let's break it down. Massive reach. Social media platforms have billions of active users. For instance, Facebook alone has nearly 3 billion monthly active users. That's a staggering number of potential customers. Targeting capabilities. Unlike traditional advertising, social media ads let you pinpoint exactly who you want to reach. You can target people based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and even their recent activities. For instance, Facebook lets you target users who recently moved or got married, life events that often come with specific purchasing needs. Cost effectiveness. You don't need a huge budget to start. In fact, you can run ads for as little as $5 a day while testing different strategies. Immediate results. Unlike SEO or content marketing, which can take months to show results, social media ads can drive traffic, generate leads, or boost sales within hours of launching a campaign. To illustrate this, let's consider a real-world example. Say you're a personal trainer offering a 30-day fitness challenge. Instead of relying on flyers or word of mouth, you can run a targeted ad campaign on Instagram. Your ad could feature a short video of you demonstrating workouts, paired with text like, "Join my 30-day challenge and transform your fitness." You could target people interested in health and fitness within a 10-mile radius of your location. Setting clear goals. Before you even think about creating an ad, you need to define your goals. What do you want to achieve with your campaign? Are you trying to collect email addresses for your mailing list? Drive traffic to your website? Sell a specific product or service? Promote a webinar or event? Your goals will dictate every aspect of your campaign, from the ad format to the messaging and targeting. Let's take an example. Suppose you're a real estate agent. Your goal might be to generate 50 leads in the next 30 days from people interested in buying a home in your area. With this goal in mind, you can craft an ad campaign tailored to first-time homebuyers, highlighting the benefits of working with an experienced agent. Understanding your audience. Next, let's talk about audience research. This step is crucial because no matter how great your ad looks, it won't perform well if it's shown to the wrong people. Start by creating a detailed customer persona. Answer the following questions. What's their age, gender, and location? What are their interests and hobbies? What challenges or pain points are they facing? What solutions are they looking for? For example, if you're selling online courses for graphic design, your audience might include young professionals or students aged 20 to 35 who are creative, tech-savvy, and eager to learn new skills. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube would be ideal for targeting this demographic. Once you have a clear picture of your audience, you can use social media platforms' advanced targeting options to reach them. Facebook Ads Manager, for instance, allows you to create custom audiences based on specific criteria, such as interests in graphic design or Adobe Photoshop. Crafting high-performing ads. Now let's get into the creative side, designing your ad. A successful ad has three key components: visuals, copy, and a call to action. Visuals. Your visual is the first thing people see, so it needs to grab attention. Use high-quality images or videos that resonate with your audience. For example, if you're promoting a travel package, showcase stunning images of the destination. Copy. Your ad copy should be concise, engaging, and benefit-driven. Instead of focusing on features, highlight how your product or service solves a problem or fulfills a desire. Call to action. Tell your audience exactly what to do next. Be clear and specific, whether it's sign up now, download your free guide, or get started today. The role of lead magnets. A lead magnet is an incentive you offer to encourage people to share their contact information. This could be a free ebook or guide, a discount code, access to a webinar, a free consultation. For example, if you're a nutritionist, you might offer a free meal plan as a lead magnet. Your ad could say, "Download your free 7-day meal plan and start eating healthier today." Landing pages that convert. Once someone clicks on your ad, they'll land on your landing page. This page needs to be optimized for conversions. Key elements of a high-converting landing page. A clear and benefit-driven headline. A concise description of your offer. A simple form asking for minimal information. Social proof, such as testimonials or reviews. Testing and optimization. Social media advertising isn't a set-it-and-forget-it strategy. It's an ongoing process of testing and refining. Run A/B tests to experiment with different headlines, visuals, and CTAs. Analyze your results and adjust your campaigns accordingly. Analytics and retargeting. Use analytics to measure the performance of your campaigns. Track metrics like click-through rates, cost per lead, and conversion rates. Use this data to optimize your future campaigns. Don't forget about retargeting. Many people don't convert the first time they see your ad. Retargeting allows you to re-engage those users with follow-up ads, increasing your chances of conversion. In conclusion, social media ads are an incredibly powerful way to generate leads. By understanding your audience, creating compelling ads, and continuously optimizing your campaigns, you can achieve amazing results. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on growing your business. See you in the next video.